Right, next step is to download an actual program in there that will do something. So in Schoology, you're going to want to download the Arduino program, the POV Arduino program. So this is just in a Google Doc right now. So what we're going to do is copy everything. So Control A will select it all. Control C will copy it. And then we're going to go to the Arduino program that we were just in. We'll get rid of everything that's in there, and we'll Control V to paste everything in there. Okay. Everything should be set up from the tools. We're in Arduino Nano. We got the old bootloader, and we're on the right COM number. So really, all we should have to do is click the play button. So we do that. We're going to need to save this Arduino file now. So you could give it a name. You could direct it to save wherever you'd like. But pay attention to where you save it. I'd probably go to your documents folder on your school H drive, but I'm just going to save it here. I'll call this POV. And then once it's saved, it's going to compile and upload. And then after that, I'll show you how to see that the LEDs light up. Okay. Right, done. And so what you should see then, if you were to take the project, get that back under the camera for you here. If you just tap it, you should see that the lights light up on it. Okay. It's going to be a hard time having you actually see something under this camera, but what you're looking for is that all the lights light up. As it is right now, this program, I think it says auto. So just check to make sure that all of your lights light up, and then you're going to be good for modifying your own program, which you'll do next.